My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I'm the IRS Insider. I've worked there long enough, and I've been on the outside so much. I am in touch with many, former agents and live agents to know what's going on with IRS. And I try to give you the truth so you know things that you need to do or should know what to do. And I'm trying to fill you in with all this stuff. I just give you what you want. I don't give you all this other crap that other people do. Listen, if you're self-employed, get a tax preparer to prepare your return. Many people want to save $300 or $400, and they go ahead and they use this tax software, all this stuff that's out there. You see these commercials, and you're jumping at this and that, and just let me tell you something. I see more mistakes because people usually don't take advantage of all the deductions. That software does not know you. That software has templates of forms or check marks, and it comes out what they think who you are. Sometimes there's tax planning that can be involved. Little mistakes in the software that you don't find out till later. I'm letting you know, if you're a W-2 wage earner, you can fill those things out by yourself or just use the software. There's nothing wrong if you're a wage earner doing that. However, if you are self-employed, I'm telling you as a former IRS agent, you're going to find more deductions with a tax preparer. We prepare your returns, but this isn't a commercial or thing for me saying, oh, use us. I am just telling you, just as a favor to you, find a preparer either in your area, call us, I'll find you one, whatever. Don't get stuck using this software. The software does not know you. They don't know your intentions, what you want to do. They don't know if they should amend your back 3 tax returns. There's a lot of advantages to having a preparer. Honestly, a former IRS agent does do well. Anyway, this is who I am, Mike Sullivan. I am the IRS Insider. I'm telling you the truth. Do exactly what I tell you. You usually won't get in trouble most of the time. Thank you. Give me a subscription if you would. I try to give you everything you need. Thank you.